I'd like to talk about something that I've designed, which is called Daisy Dresden's. Now, I'm sure that a lot of people are familiar with the Dresden plate quilt block. It's very traditional and it comes in lots of shapes, sizes, forms. I'd like to think this is unique. I haven't seen anybody else doing it, certainly. But I'm also a great fan of English paper piecing. So when I was teaching Dresden plate, I thought, wouldn't it be fun to split the Dresdens up and then piece them back together again using different fabrics. Now, to help you with fussy cutting, these acrylic templates are great. You can see that I've drawn the technical term for them is registration marks. I've drawn registration marks on this template. So each time I put it on the fabric, and it's worked, I can get it in exactly the same place each time.